Hey everybody, it's Chris Load here. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to log in and log out of our school district's portal. This is for students who are going to try to access their portfolio or perhaps the class site for doing assignments. The first thing you need to do is to go onto your favorite web browser, and that can be Chrome or Firefox or perhaps Safari. Chrome or Firefox usually work quite well for all things related to our portal. And when you open up your browser, you're going to go to portal.sd38.bc.ca. And when you go there, you should see this login screen that I am currently on. Your username that you're going to use to log in is the student's initials plus 6 digits. And those 6 digits usually start with a few zeros, and then there's a randomly assigned number at the end. So I'm going to type in a fake student username and their password. The password they're going to use is their birth date. You're going to do 2 digits for the month, 2 digits for the day they were born, and 4 digits for the year. This is for elementary students. For secondary students, they will also add their postal code of their home address. Once you have your username and your password in to those 2 cells, then click Sign In. Here's the page that you will end up on, and you'll notice here we do have an account, a demo student account. So this is a student account for secondary student 1. You'll notice here on this page there is a direct link to the portfolio. Plus down here will be links to the classes that the student is a part of. And so to access assignments, the student would go into the class. They would click on the link to the class, and that would bring to the class site, and then the student would then click on the assignments button there. If I go back to this My Site page, to go to the portfolio, all the student has to do is simply click on the My Portfolio button, and that will bring them to their portfolio. And remember, the portfolio, there is only one portfolio for all of the classes. So if a student is in multiple classes, they will only have one portfolio. Whereas for assignments, they may need to go to the specific classrooms, their specific classes for the different assignments that they may have in the different classes. Once you have finished using your portfolio or the assignments or other part of the class site, the students will, of course, want to log out. To do this, they would put their mouse over their name up in the top right, click on there, and the drop-down menu option would be to sign out. Click on Sign Out, and then the student will also have to close the window of the page that they are on. So I'm going to close this window, and that will complete the logout process. So when I go back to the portal, you will see that I have logged out and that process has been completed. I would have to re-sign in again. Thank you for listening and have a good day.